children. Now I am going to take English for you. So this is revision. Okay children. So lesson number 7. So the lesson name is King Shibi and the Dove. Okay children, the lesson name is King Shibi and the Dove. And I think already you have completed the classwork. If you have completed the classwork, please open your classwork and open lesson number 7, King Shibi and the Dove. This is revision. I'll read the revisions. Listen carefully children. First main hard words. First one, Shibi Chakravarti. SHIBI-CHAKRAVARTHY. Shibi Chakravarti. Second, unfamous. FAMOUS. Famous. Third one, truthfulness. 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 Third one, righteousness. 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 Fifth one, Dharmaraj. DHARMRAJ. Dharmaraj. Sixth one, flesh. 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 Seventh one, eagle. 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 Eighth one, dove. 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 Ninth one, promise. 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 Tenth one, prevent. 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 11th one, clutches. 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 12th one, shelter. 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 13th one, protection. 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 14th one, relax. 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 15th one, demand. 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 So these are the hard words. Once again I am going to read. First one, Shibi Chakravarti. Second one, famous. Third one, truthfulness. Fourth one, righteousness. Fifth one, Dharmaraj. Sixth one, flesh. Seventh one, eagle. Eighth one, dove. Ninth one, promise. Tenth one, prevent. 11th one, clutches. 12th one, shelter. 13th one, protection. 14th one, relax. 15th one, demand. Okay children. Now next main, fill in the blanks. King Shibi was famous for truthfulness and justice. KING. King. SHIBI. King Shibi. Second one, a dash came to the king. So in the dash you must write dove. 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 Third one, and dash was chasing the dove. So in the dash you must write eagle. 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 Fourth one, the dash had hope to protect the dove. So in the dash you must write KING. King. The king. Fifth one, the king offered the eagle his own dash. So in the dash you must write flesh. 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 Okay children. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again I am going to read. King Shibi was famous for truthfulness and justice. Second one, a dove came to the king. Third one, an eagle was chasing the dove. Fourth one, the king had vowed to protect the dove. Fifth one, the king offered the eagle his own flesh. Now third main, answer the following questions. Who did the dove fly to? Why was she approaching with great speed? Answer, the dove flew to the King Shibi. She was approaching with great speed because an eagle was after it. TH with the DOV, dove, FLEW, flew, TO2, TH with the KING, king, SHIBI, Shibi, SHE, WIS was, APPROACHING, approaching, WITH with, GREAT, great, SPEED, speed, BECAUSE, because, AN, EAGLE, eagle, WIS was, AFTER, after, IT, it. Second one, what did the dove ask Shibi? What did Shibi promise? TH, the dove asked the king to save its life. The king had would to protect it. Th the dove dove asked asked. Th the king king to sav save its its life life. Th the king hd had word to protect it. The dove asked the king to save its life. The king had vowed to protect it. Third one, what did the eagle want? Answer, the eagle wanted its prey. Th the eagle eagle wanted its prey. The eagle wanted its prey. Fourth one, what was King Shibi's request to the eagle? Answer, the king requested the eagle not to kill the dove. Th the king requested requested. Th the eagle not to kill. Th the dove. The king requested the eagle not to kill the dove. Fifth one, what did the eagle want in place of the dove? Answer, the eagle wanted equal weight of flesh from the king's body. Th the eagle wanted equal weight of flesh from th the king's body. Sixth one, what did King Shibi do when did the scales balance? Answer, the king cut flesh from his right thigh. The scales balanced when the king offered his entire body. Th the king cut flesh from his right thigh. Th the scales balanced wgn when th the king offered his entire body. Next, seventh one, who had come in the form of the dove and the eagle? Why had they come? Answer, Dharmaraj, the king of righteousness, and Indra, the king of heavens, had come in the form of dove and eagle to test King Shibi's nature of sacrifice and righteousness. Dharmaraj, th the king of rightness, righteousness, and Indra, th the king of heavens, had come in th the form of dove, and eagle, king, shibis, nature, sacrifice, and righteousness. Dharmaraj, the king of righteousness, and Indra, the king of heavens, had come in the form of dove and eagle to test King Shibi's nature of sacrifice and righteousness. So these are the question answers. Now next main, match the meanings. In the A side, they are given first one goodness, second one truthfulness, third one righteousness, fourth one word, fifth one depraved. In the B side, they are given morally correct, the state of being good, honest, prevent from using something, promise to do something. So you must match them. First one goodness. So in the first B side, in the second line it is there, the state of being good. Second one truthfulness. So in the B side, in the third line, honest is there. So there you write number 2. Third one righteousness. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, morally correct. So there you write number 3. Fourth one word. So in the B side, in the fifth line it is a promise to do something. So there you write number 4. Fifth one deprive. So in the B side, in the fourth line it is a prevent from using something. So there you write number 5. So these are match the meanings. Now next main, write the opposites for the following. First one famous, unfamous, UNFAMOUS, unfamous. Second one save, abandon, ABANDAN, abandon. Third one strong, weak, WEAK, weak. Fourth one happy, sad, SAD, sad. Fifth one boon, curse, CURSE, curse. Now next main, write plurals of the singular words given below. First one knife, knives, KNIVES, knives. Second one cry, cries, CRIES, cries. Third one dove, doves, DOVES, doves. Fourth one body, bodies, BODIES, bodies. Fifth one leaf, leaves, LEAVES, leaves. So these are the plurals. Once again I am going to repeat, knife, knives, cry, cries, dove, doves, body, bodies, leaf, leaves. Now next main, write feminine gender for given masculine gender. Feminine gender means hennu, masculine gender means gandu. So first one dog. The answer is bitch, BITCH, bitch. Second one god, goddesses, GODESSESS, goddesses. Third one tiger, tigress, TIGERESS, tigress. Now next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. So here the letters are not arranged properly. You must arrange properly and write. First one RAET. So the correct spelling is TEAR, tear. Second one NVEAEH. So the correct spelling is HEAVEN, heaven. So third one NOHOUR. So the correct spelling is HONOUR, honor. Fourth one GLEEA. So the correct spelling is EAGLE, eagle. Fifth one HLSEF. So the correct spelling is FLESH, flesh. Okay children, so once again I am going to read. First one answer TEAR, tear. Second one HEAVEN, heaven. Third one HONOUR, honor. Fourth one EAGLE, eagle. Fifth one FLESH, flesh. Next main, make sentences using following words. So here the words are given. You must write in one sentence. First one fear. My brother was feared to go near the sea. My BROTHE, your brother. WIS was FEA, fear. TO2 go NEAR, near. THE, the SEA. Second effort. We must put more effort in studies. WEVMUST, must. PUT, put. MORE, more. EFFORT, effort. IN, STUDIES, studies. Third one kill. Lion kills small animals and eat for food. Lion, lion. Kill, kill. Small, small. Animals, animals. And eat. For food. Fourth one, health. Eating well helps us to keep healthy and active. Eating, eating, well, helps, TO2, keep, healthy, and ACTIVE, active. Now next main, fill in the blanks with a or an. So this is an article. First one, dash cow is dash animal. So we write a and an for AEIOU. So that is a vowel. Okay, children. So in the first dash a, in the second dash an, an. A cow is an animal. Second one, an owl is a bird. So here an and a is a dash. Third one, a buffalo has a horns. So here in the two dash also a must come. Fourth one, an eye has a lid. An and a. Fifth one, dash in pot is of glass. So in the dash must write an. Okay, children. Next, rewrite the given sentence with capital letter, comma, question mark, and a full stop. King Shibi was famous for his truthfulness, justice, and keeping his word. Here the first letter starts with a capital letter. So first letter, what is there? K. So you must write that one in the capital letter, and after writing in the last, you must keep full stop. After writing word, you must keep full stop there. Okay, children? Second one, be fair in your dealings. So here in the starting letter is B. So for B, you must write capital letter. Okay, children? Now, be fair in your dealings. After writing dealings, you must keep full stop. Now, next third one, where are you going? So, this is asking question. So, you must put in the end, in the last, you must put question mark. And starting letter, what is there? W is there. So, you must write W in capital letter. Where are you going? So this is asking questions. So you must put question mark. Next fourth one, what is your father? So this is also a question. So in the end you must put question mark. What is your father? ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. So you write question mark there, and W you must write capital letter. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already finished your classwork, you practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. If you have not written your classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Okay, children? So don't write once again in the classwork if you have already written this lesson. Okay, children? Thank you, children.